Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can migrate from old Westwind database to the new .NET Core base Westwind translation. So I have already done the changes, so I thought that it worth mentioning. So in the last like database version, which is using ASP.NET, you won't get these two particular columns. So when you try to add it and see whether it's working or not, so you won't be able to get like good results, or you will have a error like value type. So what you need to do, you need to add two columns on the resources table, and it will start working for you. So you need to just follow all the steps which I mentioned in the core-related adding translation steps. And once you done with that, then you need to add these columns to your older database if you are using ASP.NET. So by adding that, it will become compatible because it's using this thing. So as you can see, it's saying not null. So what I did is I put a 0 as a default value for this, and updated value is null all the time. So that's how I am able to migrate from ASP.NET Westwind translation to core base Westwind translation. So these steps are performed on .NET Core 2.1 version, because 3.1 have some issues, so I didn't use that for now. So this is thing, if you use that, it should be help you.